Yeah.
What's new in your world?
Um, well, let's see. I guess right now I'm sort of debating the number of bots on Twitter with Parag on Twitter. Currently, I'd like what I'm being told is that there's just no way to know the number of bots. It's like as unknowable as the human soul, basically.
So
You have no idea what level of witchcraft and alchemy is needed to determine this bot percentage.
have you determined?
I said, like, why not try calling people? But I haven't got a response. Like, so if you tried calling people or something, like maybe try
The
that.
answer? It's not a bot.
No, I don't know. But I think like that would be one of the things to do, to say, like, have you tried calling them, as opposed to like trying to read the tea leaves here? That's like impossible. Obviously you can have an account that looks exactly like a human account, or is being operated where one person is operating 1,000 accounts or something. But that person can only buy one toaster. They're not going to buy 1,000 toasters. So you care about like number of unique, real people that are on the system. It's extremely fundamental. And anyone who uses Twitter is well aware that the comment threads are full of spam, scam, and just a lot of fake accounts. So it seems beyond reasonable for Twitter to claim that the number of essentially the number of said another way, the number of real unique humans that you see making comments on a daily basis on Twitter is above 95%. That is what they're claiming. Does anyone have that experience? Exactly.
I mean,
really? Listen, like, there's a bridge I'd like to sell you. And also you can buy the Brooklyn Bridge.
What do you think it is?
what's the
If it's not 5%, what is it?
I think it's some number that is probably at least 4 or 5 times that number. I'd say if you did sort of the lowest estimate would be probably 20%. And this is a bunch of quite smart outside firms have done analysis of Twitter and looked at the sort of daily users, and their conclusion is also about 20%, but that's a lower bound. It's not an upper bound. Mm-hmm. If you look at, say, the most liked tweets on Twitter, so I have the honor of having the most liked tweet of any living human. This is thank you everyone for liking my tweet, including you, some of the bots out there. But that tweet is less than 5 million likes. It's like 4.7 or something like that. And